What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel where design meets real estate strategy and where agents turn their business into a full-blown revenue ecosystem.
Today, we're going to show you exactly 2 to 3 new revenue streams in your real estate business in the next 30 days. Yes, 30 days without burnout, without overthinking, and without adding a bunch of complicated systems.
By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a clear plan, scripts, and the exact blueprint we use to help agents increase their revenue by up to 30%.
Wow, and the best part is these streams stack right onto top on what you're already doing. You're not reinventing the wheel, you're not upgrading the engine.
All right, let's jump in. Revenue stream number 1, reality staging to make listings shoppable and earn affiliate revenue. Agents everywhere are underpricing themselves because they think that staging is extra. It's not extra, it's essential, and reality staging allows you to start selling homes immediately with design services included, and listings are shoppable while you earn affiliate revenue.
Now you can build that into your menu of services and your tiered commission approach to increase your commission percentage. Build a simple 3-tier menu. So let's start with basic. Everything you include in a transaction to get that property sold. Increase to standard, that includes reality staging to sell homes with design services included, and then premium, which includes reality staging and renovation so you can show the full case potential of a renovation on those original homes. Number 2, present this in every listing consultation. It's not an optional upsell, it's part of your value stack.
We have seen when agents present this menu of services and tiered commission approach, they have stated to have an increase in their commission percentage by 30%.
Let's chat about affiliate commission. So every single piece of furniture used in reality staging is shoppable. So when buyers and sellers click to purchase, you earn up to 30% cash back.
This turns your design skills into passive income. Here's how to activate it fast. Step 1, add your affiliate shopping board to your listing marketing packet. Step 2, share your shop the look design on board on your social media. And step 3, offer it as a value add-on to your buyers too.
Some agents watch revenue just kind of trickle in, while other agents using style to design intentionally are adding hundreds a month, even thousands of dollars. And once it's all set up, it literally runs while you're asleep.
All right, second revenue stream, trade partner revenue. You're already sending business to painters, flooring installers, organizers, handymen, cleaning crews. Why are you doing that for free?
Build a vetted network of 10 to 15 partners. Have a simple agreement where you offer and refer clients, and when they are hired, you earn a referral fee. Some pay a flat amount while others pay up to 10 to 20% per project.
Our agents are earning anywhere from $200 to $10,000 a month just from one stream. It's logistical, it's ethical, and honestly, it's smart business.
Here's a bonus on revenue streams that it takes almost no effort: paid design consultations. You're already giving advice. You're already walking homes and telling the sellers exactly what they need to fix and upgrade.
Put structure around it. Charge for it, period. A $149 to $299 consult is normal. Some charge $500. Some roll it into their listing package and treat it as a credited service if the seller hires them. End result? Add more listings, more revenue.
This one is the multiplier because it ties really everything together. The menu of services, when you have a clear commission menu, you stop selling real estate and you start selling solutions.
People don't mind paying more when they understand the value they're receiving, right? Especially when the value is visual, like reality staging. 81% of buyers have zero vision. So this tool will give them the vision to see the full potential of a property. Ask your sellers this question. When selling your home, do you want to appeal to 19% of buyers or 100%? I guarantee you they will say 100%, which will help you increase your commission percentage.
So let's put this into a simple 30-day roadmap that you can literally screenshot. So week 1, set up your style to design count. Week 2, build that menu into your tiers and select those 10 to 15 contractors. Your next week, add reality staging into every listing presentation, create the shop the look affiliate boards, record a 30-second quick video explaining this. The next week, offer design consultation, staging into your tier listing packages, announce the services on your social media. Week 4, implement it into your active listings, track your affiliate income, follow up with your trade partners, review and hit and redefine those goals. By day 30, you'll have at least 2 to 3 active income revenue streams.
Real estate isn't about grinding harder, it's about earning smarter. And when you combine design authority with real value and real tools, you build a business that pays you from multiple angles.
If you want more scripts, more design education, or want to build your services into your business, hit the subscribe button.